beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today. So on another episode of I Bought It So You Don't Have To, I purchased the Ipsy Glam Bag Mystery Bag. It's not the Glam Bag. This is the mystery bag that is called the Iridescent Glow Mystery Bag. It was $14 and there are supposed to be 5 sample size products inside. I was like, I have to get this because I want to know what's inside and that way I can help you guys save your money if need be. But we're going to go ahead and do a full unboxing today and check it all out. So yes, Iridescent Glow is the name of this bag. There are 5 sample size products. I spent $14 plus a $2 handling fee plus taxes. So it's like $17 for this bag when all is said and done. The estimated retail value on this is $43. And of course, I got you covered with a link down below if you guys want to go check it out. Real quick, if you guys are interested in anything that I am wearing today, I'm going to list them off for you. So my eyeshadow look today is coming from none other than my 4 Seasons eyeshadow palette. I do still have some of those available, so if you'd like to purchase your own palette from me, visit subscriptionsisters.com. If you're interested in any of the jewelry that I'm wearing today, this is from Ana Luisa. I'm wearing all of their rings, and then also this necklace is also from Ana Luisa. All of them are current stock products. I do have a code that will save you 20% off as well if you want to check out any of those. I will tell you guys, I loved the way this bag looked online. It looks like a snake, in my opinion. Like, not an actual snake, but it looks like snake skin. And no, you know what it is? It's rainbow fish. Tell me you guys know who rainbow fish is. This was from a book that I had as a child. Oh my gosh, I just thought of this. And the bag looks exactly like it. And he gave away his scales because they were all so pretty and everybody loved them. And then he only had 1 left over. It's the cutest story ever. But this bag looks just like him, right? So this is our Iridescent Glow bag and it has scales on it. And I thought it was snake skin scales, but now that I'm looking, like, I mean, seriously, these could be scales from a fish, specifically rainbow fish in that book, because this is exactly what his scales looked like. It is so cute, you guys. Okay, so I'm in love with the color. Duochromes are having such a hot moment right now in fashion, and this reminds me of duochromes. It looks purple in my daytime lighting here, but then on camera, it shows up with this gorgeous blue-green. It's so beautiful the way that it catches the light. Now you're gonna have this matching purple zipper up here with the Ipsy charm. You can kind of tell down the side, that's where it looks really light purple. And then wham, look at that color. So it's the same thing all the way around and it is just a square bag. It's so cute. And I'm telling you guys, this is how they get me every time, is the bags are adorable. And now I have a scale from Rainbow Fish. My inner 90s child is so happy. First item inside of this bag is from Lottie London. We have an eyeshadow palette. There are 4 shades inside of this, and it's called the Rust Eyeshadow Palette. So we're going to have rusty shades. I do think they're gorgeous. I have played with this palette in the past, and I do think it's a gorgeous combination that you can create a very beautiful look with this. So I don't think this is a terrible palette at all. This bag is sample size, so this is kind of what I would expect for it. So honestly, I think this is a good first item. Ooh, we have Pure Lisse in here. This is the Watermelon Charcoal Cleanser. It's 1 ounce or 30 ml. But this is one of their best-selling products, and this cleanser has charcoal in it, so it will help to draw out impurities to the surface of your skin. It will help to unclog pores is the idea behind that ingredient. It's a natural ingredient, which is awesome. Watermelon is also a great scent. I love the scent that Pure Lisse puts out on these. So this is a decent brand, decent product. It is a deluxe sample because we have a full ounce. So I think that's great as well that there's enough in here to try it a few times if you haven't. I've already used this product though, so I already know I like it. So I will be using this one. So hey, I think 2 for 2, we're doing great. I knew this rainbow fish was gonna be so lucky. Next up, I have from Pistache Skincare. And it says it's their hydrating moisturizer with vitamin E inside of this. 20 ml is what we have here. This is a good amount again. I mean, I feel like there's quite a bit of product that I can try this for like a week, and I should be able to know if I like it or not. Now, the special thing about this one is because it does have pistachio oil in it. That's like their secret weapon of this product. So this one I've not tried before, but I mean, it's a moisturizer. I always need hydration, so I feel like you can't go wrong with it. It does say that it's made in California, so that's kind of cool that it's from the US as well. No expiration dates on here either, but it says there's glycerin in here, and then the pistachio seed oil is the third ingredient. It's water, glycerin, and then the pistachio oil. So I do like that it's a high amount too. Our fourth product in the bag is from Hey Honey. This is their Boost It Up moisturizer. Now, I've tried this one as well. It is a good moisturizer. Not my favorite, but it's not the worst either. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's one of those products that I used it and was like, yeah, it's okay. But I didn't notice a significant change, so I didn't rebuy. I don't seek this product out, but I definitely wouldn't ban this product either. It's very neutral for me that it works, but there's nothing special about it for my skin, at least. So that's my review on this, is it's very average, but it is 15 ml of product or half an ounce, and it says that it's an all day long lasting moisturizer that will give you hydration. It is a cream formula, so if you are particular about what formulas you have, this is a really soft cream. They do have some ingredients to help to brighten your skin. I didn't notice that though. I noticed it was soft and that it was hydrated, but I did not notice any brightening effects from this. I didn't see anything of like plumping or anything along those lines. It was just a decent moisturizer. Good product to have in the bag though for winter. Last item that I have here today is peeling pads from Georgianica. This is a set of 10 pads. Oh, okay. For a second there, I was like, we got a mask. It's a sheet mask. Like, what is with all the masks lately? But it's not a mask. I like that it's not. I like the fact that we have 10 pads inside of this. So again, you can try these out. They are a clear peeling pad. They want you to cleanse obviously first, and then you're going to use these pads that are made of 100% pure cotton. It is safe for sensitive, oily, and combination skin types. And it says that after your cleanse, you're going to rub this all over your face to remove any dead skin cells. It's also going to pull out any impurities from your pores. So this is going to double as a exfoliant and a toner all in one with these pads. So I'm excited to try this because that's what I currently use is the First Aid Beauty pads. They exfoliate, they tone, they're so good. I love them. This might be another product that I'm going to love. So that is everything inside of my Iridescent Glow bag. Okay, bag you already know I love. I think it's so cute. The fact that now my brain is associating this with rainbow fish is just making me so excited. So on a personal level, it's just really adorable. As far as the products go for this bag, I do feel like, yes, there's samples, but I knew that going into it. I feel like it's actually above average. This to me is a better bag than usual for Ipsy. Call me crazy. Maybe I'm going soft, you guys. I don't know. Maybe I'm just getting used to it as well. But for Ipsy, I feel like they're large sizes. We didn't get anything that's 5 ml or these little itty bitty samples. So this is a lot of product in my opinion for what I've seen from them. I also feel like they're all brands that I've used and I at least will reuse again. There's only one that I haven't done, which is the pistachio cream. But outside of that, I will reuse all the other ones. So I also feel like that's a win. If I'm definitely going to use 5 of the products out of this, I think we're winning. So call me crazy, but I actually think this is a decent mystery bag. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think of the mystery bag today from Ipsy, and we can chit chat all about it. Again, if you're interested in this bag, I will be posting a link down below as well, and you guys can go shop and get your very own bag. Keep in mind, the bag itself will remain the same. You will get this bag, but the products could vary just because it is a mystery bag after all. But I honestly think this one's decent. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!